All right, today we're working on this Yardman 7 horsepower 24-inch tracked snowblower. As you can see, it's no longer a tracked snowblower. What happened was the wheel, this little plastic wheel right here, a couple of these little ears came off, and the track wallowed itself right off the side. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this wheel. I'll show you how I did that and remove this one by doing it on this side as well, because I noticed that this one's also missing some of those, and we'll probably be doing the same thing here shortly. I inspected the front. It seems to be in perfect shape on both sides. So we're just gonna go ahead, make sure that all those ears are on the back, and looks to me like this one's good, and I think the front one on the passenger side, if you will, is also good all the way around. So we're gonna replace the rear two on both of these. So what you're gonna need for this, is the hydrosonic cleaner. Cleans out the carburetor on this here dirt bike. Check out that video if you're interested. So we are definitely trying to get this snowblower to work, but we're thawing out the ratchet straps that were in the back of my truck so I can actually use them. All right, so let's, I'm just gonna use some simple tools to show that anyone can do this. And take my other half-inch is completely wallowed out. So I'm gonna use a set of vice grips right here, because why not? And we will set you guys up right here. Crank that sucker on there. All you gotta do, take your half-inch, lefty-loosey, already loose. That's awesome. That's not awesome, by the way. Cool, so we'll just take this nut off, pop this bolt through, and see if it gets us where we need to be. With taking this track off, it should just slide right off the side. And then when we go to put it back on after we get the new one, we will be able to just set the track on there on the ground and then slide it on all in one shot. But let's see what we got here. This thing's bolt is definitely bent. Seen better days. That's crazy. Cool. All right, pop that out. And then it should just slide off the side. I'm gonna go ahead and prop it up onto this track. Let's see. So we're leaning on it, so like that, just for a quick second. I'm gonna prop you guys up. All right. Cool. So this should give it a good tug, pop off like that. You can just pull the wheel out, and yeah, that thing was about to break off as well. All right, let's go get some parts. So I just left my favorite snowblower saw shop, and unfortunately they informed me that the replacement cog wheels are no longer available. They're obsolete. However, these are plastic and they break, and it's super cold here and stuff gets brittle, and there is a replacement metal wheel. The part number is 631-0002. They're about 35 bucks each. It's going to cost a lot to ship them here. These ones are made by Flip Manufacturing, but there's a bunch on eBay too under that part number. So I'm going to order 2 of these, and it says aftermarket part number is 700452. There's a 60-day warranty, which is great. And this one is a Yardman snowblower. It says it fits Yardman, MTD Craftsman, regular Craftsman, many other snowblower models. So it gives you the specifications: 7.5 outside diameter, has 10 drive cogs, and a 3/4 inch diameter hub. So I'm going to measure this right now, make sure that this is what we're getting ourselves into, and it's make sure that this is the correct part for us. Pretty sure it is, but I'll confirm here in a second. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cogs, which is great. So 7.5 inch outside diameter, perfect, and a 3/4 inch diameter hub. Let's see. So inside diameter is about 3/4. Perfect. This is the part we need, and I hope this helps somebody in getting their snowblower back on the driveway. As far as putting it back on, my recommendation would be take your cog, flip the snowblower up on its side, pull the track outward like this, and then slip your cog in like this, and then all you gotta do is give it a little stretch, and the warmest you can get this, the most stretch it'll get, and slide right back on. So, good luck.